Hey there, explorers. I'm Aisha Bowe, former NASA rocket scientist, founder of LINGO, and a Blue Origin astronaut. And today, we're going to dive into one of the most exciting chapters in human history, the history of rocketry. That's right, we're talking about the incredible journey that took us from launching fireworks to exploring the far reaches of space. And guess what? You get to be part of this thrilling adventure. Rockets have been around for centuries. It all started in ancient China with the invention of gunpowder, where early rockets were used for fireworks and warfare. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the birth of modern rocketry, with the V-2 rockets during World War II, which were the first long-range missiles. But the real magic happened when we turned our eyes to the stars. And in 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite into orbit. NASA's Apollo missions came next, where we landed humans on the moon. And now companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, making space travel more accessible than ever before. So why do rockets matter? Well, they're the vehicles that carry our dreams, our science, and our tech into space. Without rockets, we wouldn't have satellites that help us communicate, weather forecasts that help us avoid rain, GPS, or even the International Space Station, where astronauts are living and working right now. On the International Space Station, astronauts perform unique research in microgravity. Microgravity is just a really small amount of gravity. The space station is also a place where the international community can come together to collaborate on experiments and work on new technologies, like the ones needed to send people to Mars. Yes, Mars. When you consider everything that rockets make possible, you can see that they are key to exploring new frontiers and understanding our place in the universe. Today, you are going to take your first step into this exciting world with your Lingo kit. You're going to build your very own ground station, complete with an LCD screen, a speaker, and control buttons. You're going to be the launch director, initiating the countdown and simulating your own rocket launch right in your home, your classroom, or wherever you are. In this lesson, you'll learn to assemble the ground control station, code the countdown timer, and launch the simulation. And the best part, you'll see your Lingo bot fly through space in a simulation you create. This isn't just a fun project, it's a prototype of what happens in the real world. I'm excited for you to embark upon this adventure with me. Remember, every great explorer started somewhere, and today, that somewhere is right here with me, you, and your Lingo kit. Are you ready to launch? Let's do this.